Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome back to Two Wheels Paradise. My name is Meshak, and today I am so privileged to be hosted by the Nairobi PowerBikes and to have just a moment to check around what they have. And with me here is one of the units they have. Looks like a premium bike, right? Perfect. Now here we have the DS. This is a highway touring bike. From the look of things, it's a highway touring bike. And it's because we have the 17-inch wheels, which are chrome.
Yes, exactly.
Here we don't have the wires, we have the chrome. So this one is telling you straight away, send me to the highway.
Exactly.
I can be faster than the rally.
Exactly.
To compensate on the the off-road disability. It has to have a lot of power.
Yes, exactly.
So now right. The power figures for this one could be inverted. We have more horsepower than the torque.
Yes.
On the other one, we have more torque than the horsepower. Exactly. On this one, we are balancing because now this one is a street. Daily commute, and this one could be better for someone who is commuting, going to work, some retro highway.
Exactly.
But for this one, take it to the moon. Only that remain on the highways.
Exactly.
Because these tires are not fooling anyone. These ones are not.
Exactly.
They are coming from the factory, straight away telling you, take me to the streets. I'm better off there.
Because of for the design, the smoothness.
Yes, these are highway tires.
Because when you compare this tire and this one, you can see the difference. This is
this one
alloy, and the threads also.
But when you want to get done with these ones, you can change into this. Exactly. Because now what you have is the same size of rim.
Yeah, exactly.
Only that here we have wires, and this
is alloy.
We have alloy. This is now the DS, the touring.
Exactly.
And it is also coming with the windshield, the engine guard. It's coming with that one. It's coming with the engine guards.
The crash guards, engine guard.
The crash guard and the engine guard. And also, look at the position of the pegs. It's not like the other one. This one is more sporty, but this one is going to be very comfortable.
Exactly.
And when you're going for long rides on open highways, you can press your legs on the crash guards.
At least you relax.
Yeah, it helps a lot.
You won't get too tired.
But looking at the engines, what I'm seeing is the same engines.
And then again, you know, with this, I've removed this to show you this windshield. You can adjust the windshield to be shorter or taller.
Wait.
Yes.
So we have, let me get the bike. So we have adjustments here.
Yes,
Okay.
And you just open this, you just adjust it, and then you pull it back. For now, it's on the higher area. You can actually remove this nut over here. You see, and then you just pull it back there, so it can go lower, or even it can go higher, whichever design you want. Then you
this is so good. This is so good. So what are we expecting now from the VOGE? Because you guys have brought the bikes to us. Should we expect reliability?
Yeah, for one, we will expect the VOGE brands are very good quality. Before we brought the VOGE machines, we did a lot of research in terms of quality, power, endurance, mostly affordability too. Yeah, the prices are very fair. For the power of this bike, at the price of 535, it's very affordable. When you look, it has the EFI, it has the ABS.
Yeah, you don't have issues of carburetors here.
Yeah, it also has the what is it called? Double overhead camshaft.
Yeah, camshafts.
Yes,
the
exactly.
double. So we have better timing.
Exactly.
Okay.
Comes with the crash guard. You don't need some extra money to install the crash guards. Comes with the engine guard over there. So even if maybe you go to the rough road areas,
the only thing we don't have on this one is the
hand guards.
The hand guards. But you can get them aftermarket.
Yes, exactly.
The last question I want to ask you, Paul, is how soon can someone get spares for this one? Probably if you take it out and then something goes wrong, then you drop the bike. Can you be able to get the spares? Are they available?
For one, we have the spares of this bike, and number two, they are compatible with other bikes. So let's say you dropped your bike in Mombasa and you broke your side mirror. We don't need to send you this exact side mirror. Just go to a bike shop with your sample and you buy from those.
So it is giving you an allowance of using some emergency solution if something goes wrong.
Exactly.
What about the major parts like dashboard, the headlight, if you break them?
Yes, those ones we have. Actually, we brought in more quantity than this, like the side mirrors, because the dashboard you can't use another bike to fit.
Of course.
For the side mirrors, a different case. The brake
levers and stuff like that. So basically, you're telling me if anything goes wrong while I'm riding this bike, I can just come back to Nairobi PowerBikes and I'm going to get that exact part from here without waiting for shipment and stuff like that.
Exactly. Like that bike over there, we are doing the service. We changed the oil filter, we changed the spark plug, the oil. We did some repair for the we put another what is it called, side mirror. No, the spare parts are available.
They are available. And how much oil does this bike consume?
1.5 liters.
1.5.
1.5 liters.
Because it's a single cylinder. 1.5 is enough for a single cylinder. Thank you so much, Paul, for your time. And what I'm seeing here is incredible. Now we have the Scrambler, we have the touring, and then we have the big boy.
The off-road.
The big boy, the off-road.
So it depends with how you want to use your bike. If let's say you want to go to the extreme off-road conditions, or maybe you want to do some adventure bike ridings, you can go for this bike. If let's say you want speed and you want something,
you want to remain on the highway.
Yes, exactly.
You can take this or this now.
Yeah, you can do.
Now both of them are going to be perfect for the highway runs.
So it depends on what you want.
And you have units. If someone wants to buy a bike like tomorrow,
yes,
you have the units.
Yes. For one, now we have the Rally available and the Scrambler available. For these units, they are sold out. Came 15 bikes, they already sold out. So the demand is high.
This the touring one?
Yes.
Okay.
So other bikes will be here in the month of May. We are still open for booking. If you place your booking before the bikes arrive here in Kenya at the port, you get 10,000 discount.
Oh, okay.
So it's just helping
that's
each
a bit
other.
enticing.
So
now you want to tell me I need to give up my 1990s and to get a newer bike. It makes a lot of sense. I might have to give up riding the 90s and get a modern bike. EFI, no carbs, ABS, and So should we now wait and see how long people are going to ride these bikes before they start breaking them?
Yes. Because
it's
all
just a wait and see, because now it's a new brand.
Exactly.
And you are introducing this new brand to people who have maybe ridden other bikes or starting off from zero.
Exactly. Because
we'll be back here in a couple of months to get the feedback from the people who bought them.
In 30 days.
But I'm expecting something positive. Because for the many years I've been riding, I can tell a good bike if I see one. I can tell a good bike if I see one. And these ones look like they are good bikes. So it's just a matter of wait and see. And people who want to get into riding, this can be a good starter bike. Especially now, this one can be a good starter bike.
Exactly. It's a 300 at least.
300 is not so aggressive, it's not so heavy.
Exactly.
It's not so small also. Because
most people do the mistake of starting with maybe a 150cc, and after 2 months they are looking for
you can no longer ride that 150. It's no longer compatible with what you want.
Exactly.
Starting to become a bother.
Exactly.
Yeah, but when you start here,
at least
300 is a perfect way to start riding. Also, don't go so high.
Exactly.
Don't
because
go
of
so
the power.
high. Don't go so high because of power. Because motorcycles can become a disaster if you don't know how to handle them.
Yeah.
I don't advise people to go so high. 400 maximum. And now 300 rise between the smaller one and the highest acceptable.
Exactly. Some people start with their 600, 800, but I think you have to be very disciplined.
Not even disciplined, there is so much that you'll not learn. Big bikes don't give you a chance to run a lot of riding because you're scared. You're scared. And when you stop being scared, when you get used to it, what happens is you become reckless. Because you can handle very high speeds, you become reckless. But the tight maneuvers and emergency learns how to be safe on a motorcycle, big bikes don't teach you. They don't give you a chance to run those things. They don't. Because when you're starting, that's the time you need to learn these things. But now on a big bike, you're so scared for a couple of months, like half an year, you are so scared of this bike. So you can't even try anything. So what happens is you end up becoming a beginner and end up a beginner for so long.
Forever.
For so long. They don't teach you a lot of things. But when you get into a middle-aged bikes, they give you a chance to even learn how you can pick up a bike when it drops.
Exactly.
See, those things. And also they are not so expensive. You will not mind if it goes down off-road when you are having fun, than now a 2 million bike and it's your first bike and then you have dropped.
You break your
side mirror is 200,000, dashboard is 100.
Indicators.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. Thank you so much, Paul. We'll be back here.
Nice.
Crossing my fingers, I might think of getting the rally.
Please come get your rally. You can place your deposit. You get a good discount.
We'll have to discuss that one with Mudosi and see what we can do.
Nice.
So.